what I did, but I drank up too much water and I don't feel so good. Tigger? Yeah. I don't feel so good.
You're right.
No, I don't know what's happening. I think I have the hiccups or Jesus. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Stop. Stop doing what? Stop! Stop.
Are we doing Infinity War or what?
Oh no, I'm serious. I'm the hiccups. Oh, hey Logan, what are you doing?
I put a sore on my mouth to cure no, not sore. I put this thing on my mouth to cure my sore. And by the way, it looks like you need a checkup because you have the hiccups. And it's a severe case. Alright. Open wide. This is the worst case of hiccups I've ever seen. This is uncurable no matter what. I can tell it. I'm sorry, you're gonna have hiccups till it goes away. It can go away in up to 1 minute to never until you die. So sorry, I tried to help. Wait! It's very contagious. Great, now Alright, I'm leaving. Wait! I need Great! I need to study this virus!
Wow,
There's an
what's
outbreak.
happening?